Hey, what's going on, guys? We want to tell you our thoughts on the A7 Pro from Himiway after owning it a couple months, and kind of go over the pros and cons on the bike. So they have this bike priced really well. Appreciate if you use a link, affiliate link in the description below. It helps out the channel, and we can also save you some money. But with the components, the type of components that they have on this bike, it's fantastic. It's something that someone that's not too big into the fast performance moped style e-bike, it's someone that's really a hardcore cyclist that kind of wants to step into the e-bike territory. And we think it's fantastic. We've talked to our friends who actually are really big cyclists, and I think it's a great value. I mean, that torque sensor and the mid-drive, the pair together are just, it's a match made in heaven. And we don't get out and cycle. It's get on an e-bike and try to go 40 plus miles per hour. But guys, this is a bike that we've been taking out to the trails and stuff. Nobody said anything to us. They have no idea it's an e-bike. And it looks just like a really high quality mountain bike. And that's something that we didn't see for the longest time. It's, we didn't look for those type of bikes. So we're glad we gave the A7 Pro from Himiway a chance, because kind of changed our view, and it's kind of making us go. I mean, I'm approaching 40, so I'm a 260 pound human, and I really need to get out and exercise and kind of move my body and get into better shape, because health reasons and stuff. So this is a bike that's going to be fantastic for someone that really just doesn't want to. They're not looking to pedal all of the time, and they have that assistance of the throttle here. It only goes 20 miles an hour, but that's honestly, for most people, that would be enough for them. We took it to work several times, and honestly, I don't even break a sweat. Because we don't, if we want to, we can, but and for the money, and for getting out and actually cycling, this is a great option. This is kind of like the best of both worlds. You still have that power, but you still can control the bike and kind of choose how you want to ride. And if how you want to ride is just cycle, and then if you're really feeling tired, you can use that pedal assist, then that's fine. You can do that. Look, I mean, even going off the beaten path and through these trails and stuff, I mean, guys, I literally, I'm not feeling any bumps. The suspension is fantastic, and that's something you expect from high quality e-bike, or excuse me, a high quality bicycle. And it's incredible that you get that here. But it's nice that this thing, you know, something so fun and has this technology built into it. I had a guy try it out, another cycler, and you know, he kind of told me his thoughts on e-bikes and how he didn't like them, and I said, you know what, I think I have the right bike for you to try. And he took it out and absolutely loved it. Like, he couldn't believe the technology that was in this bike. And it felt so much like the bikes that he rides, you know, every day. And his bike has done a great job of holding up over the months. We've had no issues. It's been fantastic. And it's super light. Like, that's the nice thing, is that I can just kind of toss this in the truck. Oh, when you have, even with the battery in it, you know, like, that's the thing. Like, the moped style bikes are fun and stuff, but those batteries weigh a lot. Those bikes weigh a lot. Those frames have to support all that torque, all that speed. But this thing is just really simple, really lightweight, and just easy to throw back of your car or back of your truck, take with you. As you guys can see, the harder I pedal, the harder this bike's working for me. It's mashing me. Without that jerky and torquey movement that you normally get from like a high-powered e-bike. So guys, fantastic bike, really good job, Himiway. We definitely feel like if this is the direction you're going, we're here for it, and we definitely want to see more of your products, because it's starting to get us more involved in more of the cycling side rather than the e-bike side. And that's something I thought I'd never say, you know, because I figured, you know, the cycling was like a child's thing, and it's amazing how many people that I've talked to that do still use a bicycle and ride a bicycle to stay in shape. And having something like this that has the electric power, has the option of using the throttle as well is it's awesome, honestly. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually go up a decently sized hill here to wrap up the video. But if you guys have any specific questions on this bike, let us know in the comment section below. We get back to everybody, but we'd love to answer them for you, and we'd love to get the discussion going on bikes more geared towards actual riders and people that want to get exercise and but still want that e-bikes thrown in as kind of a secondary option instead of more of a first option, like the e-mopeds and stuff. So, but you can just hear how smooth it is. I'm not really sure if that's coming over on camera, but guys, this thing is just, there's no rattles, there's no shakes. And this is after owning it for a couple months now and taking it on some serious trails. Even this hill, I mean, I'm pedaling, I'm in gear number 3, but I'm going about 14 miles an hour. We're slowing down a little bit because get towards the steepest part of this hill, but yeah, guys, this fantastic bike from Himiway. It's held up great. We think it's a great option for anybody looking for more of the bicycle first, e-bike second option. And again, if you guys have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. We can talk about it. All right, see what maybe You think about it. If you hate e-bikes, tell us about it. If you despise regular bicycles, tell us about it. If you don't think this has a place in the market today, tell us about it. Let's talk. All right, guys. Till next time. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Peace out.